Hey everyone, welcome to English with Sharmishta. This video is for your English listening practice. So this video is going to be completely in English, and as I am going to share a day's outing experience, you might enjoy it as well. So pay a lot of attention. दिख रहे हैं We are traveling to Kolkata after a long time. We are traveling by a local train. It's a great experience. As you can hear in the background, a child is shouting like anything. I think they're going to have a great time. She's my colleague and friend. Hello. We are meeting after a long time and see how crowded it is. So everybody is wearing masks. And
But no social distancing.
I am wearing double mask. But there is no scope of social distancing. So you see how it all started with a journey by a local train, and see what happens next where we reach. First we headed towards a mall. We were looking forward to go there for a long time, and after all we got some time, and some of the restrictions were lifted due to the decrease in cases of COVID. So we were roaming around and we got hold of someone and requested to hold the camera for us, and it was quite a liberating experience. And as that person was wearing double masks and quite far away from us, so we took the liberty of taking off our masks and we roamed around, and it was a great time looking at the shops. Actually, at first we were just doing some window shopping. We were looking outside. I mean, looking from outside the shops, whether there's anything that we can buy. Actually, we had some plans, but it was fine. We thought that first we would roam around and see around the mall. It was one of our favorite places before COVID time. So we posed for some pictures to keep them as memory of the great day, the great time that we were having, and we did it very well. After that, we went to have something to eat, and we had planned to have all junk food because after a long time we were going to eat out, and we were studying the menu card as if we had to appear for an exam next day, and we ordered all the possible junk food and we enjoyed them thoroughly after a long time of eating home cooked food. Post lunch, we also posed for some more photographs, and we did not miss any chance to get ourselves photographed. And we chose all the exotic backgrounds that we loved, and dessert was not to be missed. So we had something for dessert, some pastries, some chocolate balls that we love to have, though we were full, but dessert was a must. So we had dessert and also posed for the posed with the dessert, and we were ready to go, heading out to go. And one thing is a must, and no outing is complete without some street tea. So, with a kulhad of street tea, kulhad is something which is called bhar in Kolkata, and without that, having tea with in a kulhad is a must when I go out. Otherwise, the whole outing is incomplete. So that's what ended the day, and we called it a great day, and it was such a brilliant time that we spent together. So you must have enjoyed the video, the outing that we had. This was all for English listening practice. I hope that you have enjoyed your practice session. So you keep practicing, keep listening, keep reading, keep enriching your English, and make yourself better every day. So that's all for today. Bye.